Hi, my name is Nasona Vitrasi. My matrix number is CE1902. So I will start this presentation of introduction relationship between the various bit input towards mechanical properties and microstructure of aluminium friction stir welding. So the data used in this project is related to the effect of various bit input towards mechanical and properties and microstructure of aluminium friction stir welding. Apart from that, the project also required to find 100 data in any field of electrical, microelectronic, medical electronic, communication, computer, microtronic, or robotics engineering, which consists of independent variable and a dependent variable indicate time and illuminates respectively. By using all the given data, we can compute all data and use SPSS software to solve the criteria required in the project, where the software have a very broad range of statistical method and also display graph for the data and many more. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Malaysia binti Abu Bakar and my metric number is CE100222. I will explain the part of software that we use in this project. For this project, we choose to use SPSS software to complete our project. SPSS is used by various kind of researcher for complex statistical data analysis, editing and analyzing all sorts of data. The reason why we choose the SPSS software is this software is easy to use. Also, we can get the data in detail and softly. Next, the purpose of this chapter is to provide an overview of how data was collected. Besides that, we also have listed a few important things such as independent variable is time, dependent variable is strain, and also we calculate the result by manually and by plotting the graph in the software. So that's all from me and thank you.
Okay, my name is Nurhani Salihah binti Narijaan. So for my part, I need to find the real data for this project, which is have 100 data, and this is the value of data that we got, which is have time, which is minimum, strain, we put as x and y. So as you can see, this is the data that we got. To find this value, I do it in the Excel. So this is the data 1 to 100. So the total is to get the mean, the standard deviation, minimum and the maximum value, and the dependent variables. So all this value that we got, we need to go compare it to the SPSS system. So I'll pass to my friend to do the SPSS system part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nazulaka binti Ashib. My metric number CE190064. So today I will talk about the analysis and discussion. So today we will use the SPSS software, and this part is focused on the result of the time data collection and number of strain during running. In this result, it shows the average of the time collected and the percent of the strain during running. Okay, so this is the scatter diagram and regression line for the data. This figure shows the data time collection against strain. It can be concluded that our data have an increasing graphically data. A scatter plot is a type of plot or mathematical diagram using Cartesian coordinate to display value for typically two variables for a set of data. The data is display which to have the value of the variable. The horizontal axis is the strain value during the running, where the vertical axis is the time data collection. So we're assuming a linear relationship. Use the least square method to find the simple linear regression. Okay, so next is, this is the regression. So for model summary, we compute the coefficient of Pearson correlation and interpret the meaning. So Pearson correlation is the test statistic that measures the statistical relationship or association between two continuous variables. This also means that change in both variables are strongly correlated. Pearson correlation coefficient of 1 does not mean that for every unit increase in one variable there is a unit increase in another. It simply means that there is no variation between the data points and the length of best fit. So next is the t-test. T-test is the hypothesis can be tested by determining the type of hypothesis that will be used, be it one-tail or two-tail hypothesis. The purpose of one sample t-test is to determine if the null hypothesis should be rejected or accepted by the given sample data. One sample test table shows that t is the t-statistic that represents the ratio of the difference between the sample mean and the given number of the standard error of mean. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Almashki Medivukefli. So I will present to you our conclusion in this project. The first one is generate the result by using SPSS software to stimulate the calculation. It is the easiest method to analyze the result and analyze the value without using the manual calculation. So result between using Microsoft Excel and SPSS software are exactly same but the different rounding decimal point. Second, investigate the relationship between the independent and dependent variable from the chosen thesis. So the first, for independent variable is a time data collection and dependent variable is a strain value. From the project, we get increasing time data collection will increase the strain value during running of the project. Lastly, the value of mean, standard deviation, and minimum and maximum value of the both variable data can be obtained. With the relationship between mean and standard deviation data, the minimum and maximum value of both variables can be determined by using the SPSS software. Thank you.